on the front and one on the back.
Okay.
Like that?
Yep. Put it through.
Gosh.
But they already dropped off some stuff last time. That's what Bill said. So I'll give Herbie a call.
Oh, sorry.
I'll do that later.
Yeah.
So if you guys want to go, you can. If not, I'll do it.
I'll hold that.
I think it's just
Might have to go the other way. So then what I normally do is like
Like this?
I'll push it down depending on which way you want the lug,
Yeah, that's
the direction. You know, you go up.
Yeah,
I usually push it down so
Yeah,
it's on the
that's it.
rail,
Yeah, like that, yeah.
and then snug it up. So 22 or 7/8.
So like
But because it's Italian, they do 22.
one person can even.
Yeah, definitely. You know, and if you had a torque wrench or something, or
Oh yeah.
I think this is tight enough. Let's see how tight that one is. Like, check the cable.
Why don't you feel it?
No, I wanted to see how you like the cable. Is that loose?
The cable.
Can you step on it? Step on it. See the thing
Oh,
loose.
the cable is already loose here because.
I know, but how about the web connector?
This is very tight.
Yeah, can you step on it? See the tight? I want you wait. Just step on it. No, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Is that move? That's more
No,
important.
it doesn't move, Aaron.
Just the cable.
This is pretty strong, man.
Yeah.
This is loose from here.
It's
That's
okay.
why
The
it's
cable is not loose. This.
The cable's in?
No, this not the cable itself is a flexible cable we ordered.
No.
So the cable loose, but not the web, the connector loose. No, they're not loose. Okay.
I won't see the cable.
Only your insulation move okay right now. Yeah. Okay, that's good.
Hold on. Look at that.
No, the cable, no, the web is not loose. I know.
The shield is coming out.
No, this cable is so short. Okay.
The key, no, look at that. The shield is coming out, but not this thing.
I know. But the web is good.
Yeah, good grip.
why is
They're good.
No, it's a good grip.
Yeah.
But the shield is not gripped inside. That's why the shield is loose.
Yeah, that's okay. Just along the web connector is not loose. Okay.
Something we need to do here is